Okay, so long days are wait for Vivo Android 13 solution, but now it's released. So today we are going to see how to bypass all Vivo, any model Android 13 version you can bypass using this method, and no need computer. Okay, so without computer we just bypass the FRP lock, and the process is very easy. So just keep working with me and you will success. Wait some time here, I connect Wi-Fi. So let me check the device first, that our device is FRP locked or not, and then we are going to bypass it. Okay, so here is take some time to check, but I skip this part. Okay, now click don't copy. And this is the screen. That's mean you below you can see use my Google account instead. That's mean you are stuck on there and your phone is FRP locked. This is ensure your phone is FRP locked. Now we are going to bypass it. So just go back to the first stage of the setup menu. So this is the first stage, and now you need a pin lock SIM card. This is a SIM card which is pin lock and a SIM ejector. Now we just connect this SIM card. Okay, this is pin lock SIM, and don't enter the pin, just one power off, just press the power button and again press the power button. Now you just remove the SIM card. Okay, I remove the SIM card. Now screen on. Okay, so here you just slide from here. Here you can see a call button. So just slide from here. Okay, now dial 1 2 3 4 and then send a message, and here you have to type www.youtube.com, then send a message. All right, okay, now you have to visit the YouTube app will be open now, and then don't allow, click this icon, go to settings, about, YouTube terms of service, accept, no thanks. Okay, now you visit my website. To go to setting, www.fixfirmware.com/apk. This website you enter directly. Okay, then scroll down, and below you can see this setting icon, setting. You click this setting option and your phone setting will be open. And now scroll down, shortcuts and accessibility, click here, then easy touch, enable it. This is the easy touch option, and customize menu, then add easy share, add this easy share button. Okay, this is the easy share option, I added. Now you again go back to the home screen. Okay, so we are come back here. Now click this icon, easy share, agree, start. Now phone clone, then click new phone, Android, got it. allow everything. Okay, so now you need to scan the code, QR code. But first, now you need another Android phone. This is a Samsung phone, so you can use any Android device. Then go to Play Store and search Easy Share. Easy Share you have to download. It's very little apps, but my internet is slow, that's why it takes some time. Okay, share apps is downloaded. Now you need to install another apps, that is Activity Launcher. Search Activity Launcher. Activity Launcher, that's it. You have to install it. It's very little apps. Okay, now back and open Easy Share. Oh sorry, agree. Start phone clone, old phone, set now. Now enable Easy Share, back again, old phone, got it. Okay, now you scan your Vivo phone to this QR code, your new device QR code. Okay, set the permission, again enable Easy Share and back, got it. Allow. Okay, now unmark all. We don't need everything, we just click this apps option and just share this Activity Launcher and click OK and start phone clone. So these apps will become this Vivo phone. Okay, it's sent from here, but it's still not coming. Wait some time. Okay, it's come. Now click this apps option, then open. Okay, okay, so now you see this screen and click this Android setup and scroll down. Then you can see a option that is not have the setting icon, so you click this option. Okay, now start. Skip. Now we need to copy a Gmail account from this device to the Vivo device. So I think this device Google account lock ID password you know. So now let's copy. Next, no cable, copy without cable. Next, okay, use my Google account. Okay, next. Okay, from here you just open the Google apps from your new device and then click this icon, set up my device. Next. Okay, so now we click this next button and we copy. Now wait some time to copy Gmail account from this device to this device. Okay, so from this device I just entered the password now. Okay, so our Google account is already copied, so now we don't need anything, so we click don't copy, just back it. It's already added the Google account. Now just we back again and click the start button. Next, don't copy. The account is already added, so next. Skip, leave and get reminder. Okay. Okay, so our device is now totally unlocked, and this is the process for all the Vivo phone. I think you are done with me, but if you have any problem, so comment below, I will try to help you. And let me see you again. This is Android 13 device. This is FunTouch 13, Android 13. Okay, so thank you so much. I close the video now. See you on the next video. Tata.